Together now for about 20-25 years. We started off as Derbyshire Endeavour, I think that was before my time, and over the last few years the Royal Yachting Association, who support us, took it on and called it Sailability, and there are sailability clubs all over England operating in the way that we do.
Everybody involved wants to feel that they're safe, so whether it's hoisting the person with limited mobility into the boats, or having a ramp that's safe to get up into the boat to go sailing, or being able to cater for them if they're on a ventilator all of the time, we can do all of those things safely. Carsington Water has in abundance our volunteers who are really expert at keeping people safe on the water.
Those that can understand sailing, we will teach them to sail. Those that have not got that ability, then we will take them sailing, and a lot of them get, even though they can't physically do sailing sort of thing, and they get a lot of enjoyment out of being on the water, feeling the air around them, and listening to the sound of the water lapping against the boat sort of thing. So they get a lot from it. You can see the smiles and on their faces when they come off the water. And they're like any other kids, they will respond in the way that they can. They will laugh, they will smile, they will shout, they'll scream sort of thing, and yeah, it's enjoyable to see them do that.
There are onshore activities which are very family friendly, so crafts, sensory room, and nearby are specially adapted changing facilities and toilet facilities which have been created with the disabled community in mind.
We've had a fun day, haven't we? So it's been a little wet, but it's been a really, really good day. We've been coming for about 4, maybe 5 years now. This is the first time I've been to this event. It's absolutely amazing. We never thought that we'd be able to take Patrick on a boat, so it was fantastic that we got the chance to do that all together as a family.
Really happy.
Yeah.
The rain made it more interesting.
Yeah, it was.
Have you been to Carsington before? No, first time. How did you hear about the event?
We had an email from Child. That's how we found out about it.
So have you come from Nottingham today?
From London.
From London today!
Have you driven up here though? Yeah. We came last night. We're staying at CBB Land in Alderdown Resort. We're here until Monday.
Accessibility has been brilliant.
Get the wheelchair around.
Everything's wide and there's loads of ramps. It's perfect, really.
To be brutally honest, when the very first year we came and they said that it was accessible and any child on any boat, regardless of their ability, I was still really a little bit worried, because with Sophie's needs, being a full-time wheelchair user, and more so for us the amount of equipment that we always have to take with us. So you always have your feed pump on, don't you? So with milk going into me. And for the tracheostomy, we always have to take a suction machine, we have to take a ventilator and oxygen. So for me, there was a little worry there. What are you trying to tell me? We're talking about when we go on the boat and we take all of your equipment on the big boat that we've been on today. Do you like going on the boat?
You feel
When we
safe
go
on
on the
it?
power boat.
Did you? You went in a
Yeah.
power boat.
Yeah, on
Wow.
the power boat. What bit do you enjoy most? Seeing Dr. Thomas with his silly fish hat on? Or going on the big boat? Oh, I don't know about that. Is it boats? You like seeing the silly fish hat? So the worry for us at the time was to make sure, although they said it was accessible, could we still make it work for Sophie? And no sooner had we got here, just all of our worries were we were just amazed by the choice of boats, the sizes of the boats, because another worry was we thought we'd get here and it would only probably be Sophie and one parent on a boat, but the fact that the whole family could get on the boat and experience it together. We've got some fantastic photos, fantastic memories of the girls, the sisters being together and enjoying it. You're trying to say something, aren't you? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? You're trying to say how much you like the boat? Yeah.